Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use cruise control in your Audi Q5. To begin, find the cruise control stalk located on the left side of your steering wheel. Pull this stalk gently towards you to activate the system. You will see a green indicator light appear on your dashboard, confirming that cruise control is now ready for use. This simple step gets you started. Once cruise control is active, accelerate to your preferred speed. To set it, simply press the button located on the end of the stalk. You can then fine-tune your speed. A brief tap up or down adjusts it by 1 mile per hour. For quicker changes, push the stalk up or down to the second detent for 5 mile per hour increments. To temporarily cancel cruise control, you have two easy options. Either lightly tap your brake pedal or push the stalk briefly forward. The system will pause, but your last set speed remains in memory. When you are ready to resume, simply pull the stalk towards you, and your Audi Q5 will accelerate back to your stored speed. Many Audi Q5 models feature adaptive cruise control, which adds an extra layer of convenience. Use the rocker switch on the stalk to select your desired following distance from the vehicle in front. There are typically 5 settings, allowing you to choose a comfortable gap. This intelligent system will then automatically adjust your speed, even braking to a complete stop in traffic, to maintain that distance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.